5 apps to earn real paper money online, and basically this app requires no money, no investment to start. Some of the apps on this list have the potential to earn you 5-figure income annually depending on how far you take them. Making a bit intro, my name is JB. What I do on this channel is to educate you on how to do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. And don't forget to give your boy a like and hit the subscribe button so whenever I drop an amazing video, you'll be the first to be notified. Moving over to this app, Prime Opinion is a digital platform where users can earn extra money by completing paid survey within a seconds. And the fun part, this app is going to pay you directly to your PayPal or bank account and is easily to get started. You simply sign in with your Gmail or get to download this app on App Store or Play Store, and this app is on the go. This app right here will give you $1 for signing up and get started with your unused data. What you need to do to sign up, and you get to turn it on to be active on your computer or phone or any device you're using. And this app is also available to take paid survey depending on how you want to work actively, and the minimum payout is $5 directly to your PayPal account or Bitcoin depending on how you want to get your money out. Next we have Apakama. This app is an easy and fun way to make money for just doing basically nothing. What you need to do, you go out there, complete some minor tasks, and to get started you will be rewarded 300 points for just starting. Some users reported anywhere from $3 directly into their PayPal account. This app is on the go. And if you're gaming type, this app allows you to test games that are newly built. Not only that, they have corporations with gaming companies and they're looking for people who is going to test out these games. And if you come over right here, play test video games before launch and become part of our development process. And if you want to get started, you click here to become a game tester. This site is on the scale. Now another site that is going to make you passive income online, Honeygain. Honeygain is a passive income effortless where you get to make money by installing, connecting to the internet with your unused data directly to your phone. Most users have reported earning $5 by sharing their unused data. This site I showed you on how to make passive income that will pay you directly to your PayPal account. There are easy tasks you can do in your comfort home step by step. So if you watch this video to the end, kindly go down in the comment below and subscribe, because the next video I'm going to share with you will be amazing. Boom.